Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and I welcome you back to another video for Microsoft Azure Infrastructure as a Services. We have been doing a lot regarding Azure storage as of now. So in the previous videos I've shown you how to create a storage, how to securely access the storage, and etc and etc and etc. So what are we doing today? Today we'll be mapping a drive to Azure file storage. Like I told you, Azure storage consists of blob, table, queues, and files. So out of the all four of them, we're gonna pick up file storage today, and I'm gonna map a drive. It would be a mapped drive from your computer, and you can access it from anywhere, other than some of stupid policies wherein few of the ISPs have blocked ports for SMB 3 or maybe 2, 445, then you'll not be able to access. But it's a really good feature to use. So I'll just quickly log on to portal and we get going. Here I am. I'm in the portal. I'm in my Azure storage account, and I'm in the file service section to go on to the files. Okay, I do not have a file share as of now. I click on it to create one. Azure file share. I'm not setting a quota. It says set a quota in GB up to 5120 GB to limit the total size of the share. I don't want to set a quota. It'll give me the maximum, but you'll not be charged for this 5000 gigs, the quota that has been defined. You'll only be charged the amount of data that you put in. Cool feature, huh? Let's go for it. Okay, it has created the Azure file share. It has given me 5 terabytes, the default quota as I mentioned, but you'll not be charged for this file. Okay, either you can right click here like the way I did. You see the connect option, or let me just click here again. Okay, you get the same properties. Okay, great. So when you click on the file share that you just created, just click on connect. When you click on connect, it gives you an option like you get on your local machine, the drive letter. Let's go for M. You can use this partial command. You can use this net use command that we have been using since ages. So what it does is it picks up the drive letter from here, which I selected. It used net use M, then the path of my file share. Then it give me the default user account Azure domain, that Azure storage. It picks up my name, the name of the storage account, the domain, the default domain is Azure, and this by default automatically generates the key like it uses for the storage account. So this is not the same key that has been generated when you create a storage account. This is the key for this file share so that you can connect. Let me just copy it, open my command prompt. You know how to open a command prompt, right? So let me just type, and I'll open up the administrative. I may not have rights on it. Let me check. Let's give it a shot. Copy, paste, hit enter. Let's wait. I hope this will work. Voila, it worked. Wow, the command completed successfully. So now if I go on to my Explorer, I go on to this PC, here it is. You see, Azure file share, the path is Azure storage.file.co.windows.net. So this is 5 terabytes of the data. And if you see, I have also so that is how you do it. You just place a drive here and you map it, and that's how you make good use of it. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. Mention in your comments the feedbacks in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.